guys, today we're going to learn Papa Love Mama by Garth Brooks. I love 90s country and some of the great guitar work that came out of those days. And this song is one of the more accessible ones. It's a lot of fun to play, and it's a great song for beginners to learn. Before we get started, guys, click subscribe below and sign up for my free lessons, my free lesson sheets, and that will get you in the waiting list for my course that starts the pre-sale next week, July 15th. There's going to be a lot of Halloween music, some Christmas music, and it'll have a lot of tips for beginner guitarists. So if you're just starting out, it'll be a great course for you. A lot of fun songs that we're going to learn and have the tablature for. Plus, you'll have access to me throughout the course by email, by Zoom lessons, and things like that. So go ahead and get signed up for the free lessons below, and that'll get you on the waiting list for the course. All right, let's get into this song. So the first thing we're going to talk about is that riff at the beginning, that lick at the beginning. So we're going to start on the D string, and we're just going to do a hammer on. So we're just going to play the D and then hammer on to the second fret. And then the second time we're going to do the same thing again, but this time when we do it again, we're going to add the G string to it. And one of the things with country is there's a lot of finger picking or hybrid picking going on in between. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck the G string with my ring finger, with my middle finger, and I'm going to play that hammer on again. So I'm picking the D string, plucking the G string, and it sounds like this. And then after that, I'm just playing the D string by itself. So the first one is just the D string. Second one starts with the G and the D. So it's then, and then we're going to go up to the 5th fret. All right, so let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Then we're going to do that again. And then we're going to do the A first, second, then G. And then so it's G, then D and a hammer on. So let's do all of that to get together real slow. 1, 2, ready, and. And if you notice when I'm playing that G, I'm plucking that with my finger too. Alright, so the second part starts the same as the first one. And actually it ends the same as the first one. So second part. Then the second. And then when we get into the verse, you're just going to do this kind of blues riff that's back and forth between the second fret of the A string and the 4th fret of the A string, and you're going to play the E string. So it's kind of like, except for it's faster than that, so you just got. So let me slow that down and show you how it works. So Then you're going to change to A and do the same thing. So A is the same thing. Now this next one, so you've got B right here. So you're going to do that, and it's a stretch with your pinky. So this is a B bar chord, but we're only worried about the A and the D string. So, and I'm stretching to get to here. Then we're going to slide that up to the C. Then back to B. So if that one is hard for you, one of the cheats that you can do, it doesn't sound quite the same, but what you could do, if that's too much of a stretch, you could go to the 4th fret and just play. So all I'm doing is I'm barring and I'm just playing the D and the G. And then I'll just slide that up to the 5th fret. So the whole thing, it goes E, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, and then when it goes into that next part, you're going to do a walk up. So 2nd, 3rd, 4th, then it goes to A. E, A, E, B, and then it goes back into that riff. Alright guys, click subscribe if you enjoyed this lesson and sign up for my free lessons below. See you next time.
Papa drove a truck nearly all his life. You know it drove Mama crazy being a trucker's wife. The part she couldn't handle wasn't being alone. I guess she needed more to hold than just a telephone. Papa called Mama each and every night just to ask her how she was and if his kids were alright. Mama would wait for that call to come in, but when Daddy'd hang up, she was gone again. Mama was a looker, Lord, did she shine. Papa was a good one, but the jealous kind. Papa loved Mama, Mama loved me. Mama's in the graveyard, Papa's in the pen.